Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Make sure your device has Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on and the Venue SX app is up to date. Enable location services and grant the app permission to access GPS. This ensures accurate positioning. Open Venue SX, choose the specific venue, and switch to GPS mode. Once done, allow a few seconds for the app to acquire satellites or local beacons so you get an initial fix. This first step gets the tracking running and avoids confusion later. Now you refine accuracy. Step into an open area if GPS is slow and wait 3 to 5 seconds for a stable fix. Tap the app's calibrate control and follow on screen compass and tilt prompts. Doing so aligns the device sensors with the venue map. Once calibrated, enable map overlays and tweak the positioning sensitivity in settings to reduce jitter. Make sure to keep the device steady while moving. That smooths the track and makes turn-by-turn cues more reliable for indoor flow and wayfinding. Complete your route by choosing a destination in the Venue SX map and following the on-screen arrows and distance markers. You'll see progress in real time. If the position drifts, stop, recalibrate, or toggle GPS and Wi-Fi and wait 10 to 15 seconds for a fresh fix. As a troubleshooting tip, if repeat failures occur, switch to the app's offline map mode or ask venue staff about beacon coverage. This single step often reveals whether the issue is device settings or venue signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.